when we read Psalm 3, we see the impact that the peace of God has in our life. You know, Psalm 3 is a psalm of David. King David wrote this psalm in a very, very difficult situation in his life. You know, the background for this Psalm 3 is, King David's son Absalom, he rebelled against his dad and captured the throne of his dad. He became the king in the place of David. And so, David had to flee from his own son. He had to run for his life because his life was now in danger. And so in this very extremely difficult situation, David, sings this psalm. And let me read to you the first verse of Psalm 3. Here David says, Lord, how they have increased who troubled me. Many are they who rise up against me. King David is describing the situation that he is now finding himself. He says, many are the people who are troubling me. My enemies have increased and they are troubling me very much. Their number is many. So, David is right now surrounded by enemies and he is in the midst of a very difficult situation. His very life is in danger. And not only his life is in danger, his enemies are making fun of his faith in God. In verse 2, King David says, he says, many are they who say of me, there is no help for him in God. His enemies are now mocking him for his faith in God. They are saying to him, see, David's God has left him. There is no help for him in God. And so, not only is his life is in danger, his enemies are making fun of him. They are mocking him for his faith in God. So, his life was in danger and now his heart is also broken by the very bad things that his enemies are talking about him. So he is crushed in his heart. He is troubled in his heart. His heart is full of fear. It is in such a situation, King David is singing the Psalm 3. But, in this midst of this very difficult situation, David, puts his trust in the Lord. In Psalm 3 and verse 3, David says, but you, O Lord, are a shield for me, my glory and the one who lifts up my head. In the midst of a very difficult situation, do you know what King David does? He puts his faith in God. He says, Lord, you are my shield who protects me from my enemies. And Lord, you are the one who delivers me and lifts up my head from this very difficult situation that I find myself in. You will lift up my head. You will deliver me from all my enemies. And he says, Lord, you will restore my kingdom back to me. You will lift up my head once again. So in the midst of this, very difficult situation, King David puts his trust in God and he begins to pray to God.